Y'all, I look a mess. I was up all night decorating my family room. So now I need to get up and start straightening and cleaning up the kitchen so I can decorate the kitchen. I'm so tired, but yeah, it looks so good. And that, oh, it looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. And now my family room literally look like it's straight out of a magazine. All the reds and the plaid and the gold. Oh my God. I really outdid myself this year in that it looks so beautiful. Hard work pays off. It's a lot, but my golly, it's gorgeous. I absolutely love it, and I know y'all gonna love it too. It's so beautiful. It looks like it's straight out of an award-winning magazine. I just need to finish decorating the kitchen, and I don't think I'm gonna do a whole lot in there. Let me just do my regular smuggler stuff. I gotta first get up though, y'all. I gotta get up and I gotta clean the kitchen up. It is a mess. It's a mess. I haven't cleaned up the kitchen in like 2 days. My room is a mess. This house is a disaster. But y'all know it's gonna look a mess before it looks beautiful. Y'all know that. So, everything looks so good. I was going up and down them stairs last night. All the exercise I get, I don't understand why I'm still fat. I just do so much exercise going up and down them stairs and bending and squatting, and I'm still fat. I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay, y'all. Let's get up because we gotta go clean up the kitchen. And then, after I clean up the kitchen, I'm gonna decorate. So y'all ready? Let's go. Oh, really yawning. I get up, I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, put some clothes on real quick, and we're gonna clean up the kitchen. And then I can decorate the kitchen. Bye, y'all. Oh, y'all. Do y'all see this kitchen? Oh. Oh. Time has really wound down. Oh my God, y'all. So, gotta wash my face, brush my teeth, Took me a quick shower. Jumped in some comfortable clothes because I need to clean up this kitchen. And not only do I need to clean up this kitchen, I need to bring down all of the decor for the kitchen. And we need to start decorating the kitchen. Now, however, you do see some red pieces in here that I actually thought that I was going to use. I still have these red bowls. Remember, y'all? Oh, I was just messing with this. Remember, y'all, I had these red bowls. Red bowls. I was trying to figure out what I was going to do with it. I had this vase with this lid. I had a few things that I thought I was going to use in there that I didn't end up using. But it is a mess. And I'm tired. But y'all know me. I just got to get up, get me some coffee, get me something warm to drink, get that blood flowing through my body. And then, baby, it's going to be on and popping. So anyways, you guys, let me get in front of this camera. Welcome back, you guys. Oh, all my eyes. Girl, I'm really just waking up. As a content creator, if we have any content creators on here, have you guys ever just woke up and said, I got to get to work? Because y'all know YouTube is my full-time job. So just like you get up and you got to get ready and go to work and punch that clock, that's how I feel about YouTube. YouTube is a full-time job for me. So all my eyes is still swole. But you guys, again, I am hosting for Christmas. Everybody's going to be over here. And I don't know how they're going to move around in here because I got Christmas everywhere. Right now, as we speak today, I have up 8 trees. Oh, y'all. It looks so pretty in here. I ain't even gonna lie. I need to fix me some coffee through all the chaos. Y'all see, I ain't washed dishes. I ain't did nothing. I've been strictly in other rooms decorating. But anyways, everybody's gonna be over here again for Christmas like they were for Thanksgiving. I didn't record Thanksgiving because I don't know. I just didn't record. Because let me tell y'all, to be honest, when the holidays come and I'm hosting, I will let y'all know all the way up until that day. But once that day get here, that phone be down. I be eating and drinking with family and friends and stuff. Picking up the camera be the last thing I think about. I ain't gonna lie. But anyways, so everybody will be over here for Christmas. I will be cooking again for Christmas, and everybody's going to be here. So I probably won't pick up the camera again. But anyways, so I'm trying to make sure that my house is completely done. And I don't want to do a whole lot in the kitchen because usually, if you guys don't know, when everybody comes here, I don't care whether it's hot or cold, we be in the kitchen and we still be outside. Like for Thanksgiving, we had food, we had drinks, and it wasn't really cool. It wasn't really cold for Thanksgiving, so we sat outside, but it don't matter. We still sit outside under the fireplace with our blankets and robes and stuff on, laughing and talking. We just have so much of fun. But anyways, so I don't want to do too much in the kitchen, but it's still going to be pretty. But I need to first clean up this kitchen before I start talking about decorating it. Okay? So let's clean up. But welcome back, you guys, to Web Christmas Extravaganza. So let's clean and decorate this kitchen. I gotta put my bells up. Y'all know my theme in here. Like this area in here is, I'm so ashy, y'all, but that's fine. I just got out the shower. But y'all know my theme in my kitchen and in my family room is plaids and bells and all that kind of stuff. I, again, have a bunch of bells I need to put up. Yeah. So I got a bunch of bells. I have a lot of plaid stuff that I'm bringing in here. And it's gold and white and stuff like that. It looks so pretty in here, y'all. It looks so pretty. I don't know, by the time you see this video, this kitchen clean video, you may have already seen the family room, so you can really, you're probably going to agree and say, oh my God, Tangie, it is so stinking cute. Let me stop talking because I don't even feel like talking right now. I just need to get in here and wash these dishes and clean this stove and wipe this stuff off, get the mail put away. And I just got to do a lot. So welcome to the channel. If you are new, hello, hello, hello. I am so glad that you stopped by. If you have not seen all of my other videos, baby, you are missing out on a huge treat because I went in. Okay, and I ain't lying, I went in, and you are missing out on a huge treat if you have not seen any of those videos. I know, I need to link all of my videos down below. I have been so busy along with decorating for my kids and decorating for myself. When I tell y'all, you know, the apple don't fall too far from the tree. When I tell you my kids are really into Christmas. And you should hear them when they are calling me. They are out there in them stores. And they, Mama, I can't find rainbows. Mama, I can't find the gold. And I'm like, my children are going crazy. But anyways, I also have to show you guys those videos of me decorating my kids' spaces and all that stuff. I didn't go shopping with them because I was doing enough of shopping on my own. I ain't gonna lie, I'm so tired of shopping. So I don't know what to do. And I am so glad, y'all. I'm gonna tell you this, and I'm gonna jump into cleaning up this kitchen. I don't know, but my husband has really been, usually he's fussing about, you know, all the shopping and the Christmas stuff. You know, he don't be fussing. He just be being a little shady. Like, there's just too much of stuff around the house and all that. But he been so sweet. He ain't worrying about nothing I'm buying. He even is like, if you want it, get it, baby. I don't care. Get it. And I'm like, yeah, I love when he say that. So, yes, he has been on the bandwagon with me with this Christmas thing. And I guess what I do love about my husband is he knows the things that makes me happy. And he don't really fuss about it. He knows that I am obsessed with Christmas. I love Christmas. And as long as we've been married, all these years, 20-something years, he knows that I have always loved to decorate for Christmas. So, there you have it. So, he's not saying nothing about it. And I am so happy. Like, y'all just don't know how excited I am to be decorating for Christmas. I absolutely love Christmas. Christmas and fall is one of my favorite holidays. And then Easter. But Christmas, I go like all out. That's why every year I call my decorating an extravaganza. And every year I add more and more and more to my collection of Christmas decor. And y'all, I have a lot. But anyways, you know, I just wanted to say shout out to my amazing, beautiful, handsome face husband. I love you, baby, because I know you're going to watch this video. I love you so much, sweetie. But anyways, you guys, yeah. So let me clean up my dirty kitchen so I can finish my decorating. And then, y'all, once I finish my kitchen, I'm going into the primary bedroom. And y'all know, I already told y'all I am naming my primary bedroom Royalty Hues of Blues, because it's gonna feel royal. And I got shades of blue in there, so I called it Royalty Royalty Hues of Blues. Yeah. Yes, darling. Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm so sorry. I'm starting early in the morning. All right, y'all. Let me stop talking. Let's get into it, you guys. And to all of my existing subscribers, I love you guys to the moon and back. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all of your continued love and support, and for all your warm, beautiful, encouraging comments. Your comments is just so greatly appreciated. I love you guys so much.
you need, and I know it will be a magic holiday. turn me on. Groove is your true nature, and it never gets hard enough for ya. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one.
So I get a lot of questions about my gold and white decor. All 90% of my gold and white decor is from Inspire Me Home Decor. If I did not get it from there, I got it from Amazon. So, like my bases and all that stuff is from Inspire Me Home Decor. All of this line here, I have the whole line. I have the paper towel holder, and you see all that stuff. I get that, well, the paper towel holder, this, this one, they are from Amazon. It's already listed in my Amazon store because I get a lot of questions about my gold stuff. This that I gotta wash. This holds my utensils. This also is from Inspire Me Home Decor. And you see how dirty it gets? So that's why you see all the grease and dirt. That's why I'm washing it before I restyle it. So most of my stuff, and if you guys can see, it all has like the same theme. Most of this, all of this, like I said, is from Inspire Me Home Decor. And this line here that I have with the marble is from Amazon. It is linked in my Amazon store. I also have this knife set that I absolutely love with the gold knives. This is from Amazon. Now I've changed this I don't know how many times until I got the one that I absolutely love. And it's this one. I also have this kettle, but I have another one that I ordered that I like better. Also, you guys, going back into, oh, excuse me, going into the summertime, springtime, I have changed all my appliances to gold and white. I don't know, I'm going to leave them, I'm going to move on the side so I can leave everything that I have that I'm getting to change up my space is going to be here. So all of my appliances has changed because in my pantry, I want everything white and gold in my pantry. And this was my inspiration for that. I don't know if you guys remembered when I got this. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have a gold and white chandelier in my pantry. Okay, so this is why I am changing out all of my appliances. So like my toaster, my can opener, my crock pot, my blender, all of that is changing to that beautiful brand, that gold and white. Like I got the whole collection, okay? Because this was my inspiration, and when I got this from Temu, I was like, I gotta get that beautiful brand with all my gold and white appliances. And I've actually been working on the gold and white appliances because I've already given my baby girl a lot of appliances that I had in the pantry already. I didn't already start giving it to her because I know that I'm transitioning over. And you guys know I keep up with my stuff very well. So when I transition to something else, I always give it to my babies, because a lot of times they don't buy the kind of stuff that I buy, especially a Ninja and the air fryer and all that stuff. Well, Naked does, but my mom didn't, because she know mama got it. So I gave her the stuff already, because I got the new air fryer, the beautiful air fryer, the toaster, and all that stuff. So this was my inspiration. And if you guys can see, my kitchen is going to be filled with all of that gold stuff. So yeah, kitchen is going to be beautiful. And my thing is, I want everything gold and white in here. Gold and white, everything. Even in here, gold and white. Yeah. In my pantry already, if you guys haven't seen my pantry, most of the stuff in here is already gold and white. Like, my things that hold my cereal is white, and I have the gold writing in it. All of my containers inside of here is already, that's just for people that don't know, it's already gold and white. So it would only be right that I have my pantry done with the gold and white. I even have the gold baskets in my pantry. Child, it's a snack thing that had the label in it, but y'all know, I don't know where that's at, but I'll fix all that, because I had the label inside here that says snacks for Mason. No telling what they said, because I bought a new snack basket and I gotta fill it up. But anyways, y'all, I just wanted to kind of jump on and tell y'all, and even with these, my gold and white for my oil and vinegar. Okay, and I think that's it. And y'all know I got gold and white all over here on my bar. So yeah, so that's my new thing for the kitchen. I just wanted to tell you guys that it just popped up in my mind when I started washing all my stuff. I was like, oh, let me tell them that. All right, y'all, let's finish cleaning up.
watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and like, share, and also leave me a comment. I would love to chat with you guys. Ta-da!